to Woodbridge, the best town around. My name is John McCormick. I'm the mayor of this great town, and we're here today on a very wet July 3rd for our annual fireworks show. Everything is kind of messy here. It's been raining for quite a while. We have, whoa, that's a little lightning. We have canceled both musical performances, but the fireworks are still going on at 9:20, so we not going to miss those. We also are not going to miss the opportunity to thank the man and the people behind the fundraising to make the fireworks happen. I'm going to get to him in a minute and them in a minute. Let me introduce the people on the dais here. For far left is former Councilwoman, current Chief of Staff Carolyn Ehrlich. To her right, Business Administrator Vito Simaluka. To his right, Second Ward Councilman covering Fords, Hope Lawn, and Caseby, Howie Bauer. To his right, Fourth Ward Councilman covering Menlo Park Terrace and Island, Viru Patel. To his right, to my left, Sharon McAuliffe covering the First Ward, Councilwoman of Woodbridge proper, and C. Warren to my right, the guy responsible for the Recreation Department who oversees everything here. We're going to hear from him in a minute, Brian Molnar. To his right, Paul Losick, his assistant as the Recreation Director. And to his right, Frankie Della Pietro, member of our Board of Ed, who's also here tonight as a member of the Fire Department. So, Brian, this is almost a shame, all the planning that goes into this, and so far it's, I wouldn't say a washout. There's people here, and they're going to be coming in, and you can see them coming in a long line, but it's certainly not what we were hoping with a beautiful day. But, you know, the show must go on.
Yeah, no, we, like you said, we do a lot of planning in this, and, you know, the Township of Woodbridge, we have a great team in place. And even when we get thrown a curveball, listen, I know women are tough, but Mother Nature, oh boy, I'm telling you, I'm not having good luck with her this summer. But no, listen, you know, we had a situation come up. Our whole team got into action. Everybody left the park when the lightning detector went off. And you know what? This is going to pass, and then we're going to have a great fireworks celebration.
Great. And I want to thank the Woodbridge Police Department because they're all out here in force. Many of the fire departments, I think they all have left because we have down trees all over town and other emergencies they have to tend to. Some of the ambulances have left, but some are still here to make sure people are safe. The CERT team, Community Emergency Response Team, is here to make sure everybody's safe. A couple food trucks left, a couple stayed. We're going to get this in. It's going to be great. So let me now turn it over to the man responsible for our fireworks, which is Albert Giussani. You hear from him every year. He owns and runs Royal Albert's Palace, a gigantic banquet hall. It's gigantic and getting more gigantic. Every time I turn around, there's something else built there. He does a phenomenal job. He is the single biggest benefactor to charities and community and church groups in Woodbridge Township and youth groups, you name it. Albert is the guy. So Albert, let me turn the microphone over to you first. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
You want to say a few words before we present the checks?
First, thank you very much. We have to respect the guard. Whatever is there we have to follow. But we have a great mayor. That is a good thing. He being a best mayor in the whole America. Nothing like him. Nothing. You cannot find him. I've been to all over America. And we got a whole team is very good. Police department, fire department, everybody so nice to this town. A lot of people like to move over here in this because of the all nice team and nice treatment to the human being. That is the main thing for this town. No fight, no violence, quiet. Everybody live peacefully because great town and great people corporate. Anyway, wasting time, let me introduce my partner, Dr. Dinesh, and the chairman of the trust. Chairman, right? And she's going to pay the money for this year. So I hope, you know, her mother and father both are very big doctors.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so a lot of money. They make a lot of money.
Oh, very big.
No, money-wise big.
Oh, that kind of.
Right, okay, let's start it up. Anyway, Nisha, first give to the fireworks. Okay, I'll give you $25,000, and I'm going to give you $35,000 against the fireworks. That makes $60,000 for you.
All righty.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Lane, I too? No. Where is the narcotic department? No, narcotic department.
Oh,
Okay, he's coming. Okay, let's do state police. Okay, hold on. Let's say state police.
No,
first.
no, mention this. The NA, what is that? Let me see that again. I want to make, they're not here. I want to make sure we thank them. Narcotics Group, yeah, is, I don't know what does it stand for? Dean, NJNEOA, you know what it stands for?
No. That is a narcotic.
No, it's not his, I know. I want to know what it stands for. New Jersey Narcotics
Enforcement Organization
of America.
Right.
New Jersey Narcotics Enforcement Association of America. Sounds good. Sounds good. I'll make sure it gets there.
Yeah, so it's gonna come. Go ahead.
You got what's next? New Jersey State Police. We have Dan Mastanova and we have Paul Simaluka, the son of Vito Simaluka.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're doing the great jobs. We appreciate your job. And plus, he always comes. We sponsored the New Jersey State Police piping. More than 1,500 people comes for dinner. So we sponsored that too. So please, you come all the time. And you're welcome to our town too. Thank you very much. Give it to them. Thank you. Yeah. Okay.
All right, what's next?
Ford's
Fire Department. The Ford's Fire Department covers Albert's Palace. This is Frankie Della Pietro. He is a full-time inspector there. Frankie, you want to say a few words?
So,
On behalf of the Ford's Fire Company, I'd like to thank Albert for the generous donation. Albert's, I know Albert over 30 years.
no, you
and-
got to go down to like younger.
Oh, yeah.
Know him for 2 years. That's all you got.
But yeah, but no, Albert is, he always says he's proud to be American, and he's definitely community orientated, and we can't thank him enough.
No.
So thank you, Albert.
Thank you.
We also have the man who is the Ford's Fire Department chief for the 6th time in his career, Howie Bauer, Councilman, 2nd Ward.
This I'd say, Albert.
$5,000 for you.
All right, thank you very much, Albert. We can't thank you for your generous donation every year. Your commitment to the first responders in this community is second to none. And I said, thank you very much.
No, he's doing good.
All right.
Thank you. Now who's next? Now Woodbridge Police Department. You got alert for $25,000 for Woodbridge Police Department. Please.
I'd like to call up Dean Janowski Jr., the president of the Woodbridge PBA.
Thank you, Albert. On behalf of the PBA Executive Board, the SOA, Sergeant Dan Perovic is here as the president. You are our single biggest benefactor for our charitable causes. We thank you. You're the embodiment of the American dream, and God bless America.
Thank you.
So their check was the PBA, 12,000. Danny, stay up. Come on.
Check.
12,500 to the PBA, and there's another 12,500 to the Superior Officers Association, which is sergeants and up.
Albert, thank you. Same thing that Dean said. Even the weather hasn't deterred Albert from his commitment. He's always been a great supporter of us, a great leader, and always welcomes all first responders and everyone else that he could help. He's always out there and available. We thank you very much for all the years of support that you've given us over.
I don't like when Americans say thank you. It hurt my feeling. I have to thank you. Somebody from your family, American people, nice enough to give me visa to come over here, this country, so I can serve you. I just, worked so hard and got an opportunity, became what I am right now because of the America. So I have to thank you people, to staying in this country. That is a great thing. Thank you.
We also have some checks for people that are not here. You want to read them off, Albert?
Okay, Woodbridge Ambulance.
Woodbridge Ambulance Squad, $5,000.
Hold it over there. Police Unity Tour. My friend Harry was on the web, but we start the Police Unity Tour after the World Trade Center thing happened. Then we go from Police Unity Tour from World Trade Center to the Royal Albert Palace and Royal Albert to Virginia. So I give them every year $25,000 for the Police Unity Tour. They ride the bike, would die on a line of duty. So give them a big hand to the Police Unity Tour. Here is Chairman.
I'm going to take that?
Okay. No, he's coming tomorrow.
I'll take it.
Okay. All right, what's next? Okay. Buddy Ball, my good friend, Tom Kelly started up this thing and involved, and I always support him. And Tom Kelly got sick a little bit, but I still continue to go over there. Greg over there is supposed to be here. but he's not here, so I'm gonna give it to Greg tomorrow.
Okay.
Right? Okay.
Anything else? How about the football team? Yeah.
Football
many
team.
things.
Football. What do you call chance? Right? That's $2,500. Here, Chairman.
Zen, give it.
Oh, Jen, give it to them. That's $2,500 for the football. Give it to the mayor.
Give it to the mayor.
Right.
Always give the money to the mayor.
Right. Okay. Okay. Anything left? Thank you. That's my niece, my nephew, and everybody's working. All my friend is here. So be proud of you, my sister, my niece, nephew, and uncle, and everybody. My brother don't even listen when he talk over there. He always this thing. You're not alert. When I'm on the stage, what the hell are you talking about there? Okay,
right.
thank you, and I hope we're gonna have a good time and enjoy and come have some please food. Thank you very much.
All right, let's hear one more
Doctor,
time for
Doctor,
Albert
one minute.
Gisani.
Doctor is gonna say something.
Happy 4th of July. God bless America. And this is one of the best town in New Jersey, and we have always best fireworks in New Jersey. Enjoy, even though atmosphere is not good, but we'll make sure everything goes well. Thank you.
Okay.
Happy 4th of July, and I hope everybody has great holidays.
Thank you very much.
Happy 4th of July, everyone. God bless America. Same thing as my grandpa said, and I hope all you guys are having a great day. Even though it rained, we'll still have good fireworks.
All right.
Happy 4th of
Thank you
July.
very much for all money. All money donated. Very nice. Give big hand to chairman.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too.
All
Anything?
right. Thank you all very much for watching. Let's go fireworks.